If you want to customize the volume slider on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, like for example, if you want to have this blue one, then what you can do is you can go to the Galaxy Store. So we're going to open it over here, then use the search option and search for Good Lock. There we go. You should be able to find this app over here. This is the one that you need to install on your phone. And once you have it on your phone, you want to open it. Now, inside this app, we can find a bunch of different plugins that we can use to unlock the access to different customization options, which are not available by default. So for example, here we have the Sound Assistant. We're going to use this arrow on the right side to download and install this additional plugin. And once it is available, you want to open it, grant all of these permissions. And then, for example, we can go to Customize Volume Panel. And in here, if you turn it on, you can actually customize some of these options, like, for example, the position of the panel. We can toggle the volume level and so on and so forth. And you can also go to the Expand panel to find even more options. So you can customize that. But instead of, or actually in addition to using these customization options, you can also change colors. Now in here we can find the Flex UI or Flex Volume UI, which is this rainbow effect that you can of course use instead of using any of these colors. However, I think right now as I'm recording this video, it seems to be not working. Actually it does. So at first it didn't work. Now it actually does, so that's a little surprise. But I guess if it doesn't work straight away, you might need to either install the Sound Assistant again, or you might need to, for example, turn it off and turn it back on. Either way, this is how it looks like. Instead of using the Flex UI, you can also go for the theme option and you can choose one of these themes. Now I think I need to actually disable the Flex UI to actually see it. There we go. So we have this blue color. I can also pick this orange-ish, and there we go. As you can see, we can easily change the appearance. You can also create your own theme. So if you want to, create something on your own, then feel free to do so. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.